I. Today I will tell you English speaking secrets that no one has ever told you. There are 3 steps. Step 1. Think about what you want to say. Step 2. Learn how to make a sentence. Step 3. Find out the types of sentences. Then practice them well. Let me explain to you how to do that. Step 1. Think about what you want to say. Turn your thoughts into sentences. Arrange your sentences in the English way, not according to your language. Step 2. Learn how to make a sentence. Think about the sentence you want to say. Start your sentence with the subject. Put the verb after the subject. Put the object after the verb. Step 3. Find out the types of sentences. Then practice them well. First type. When the sentence contains a noun or adjective in the present tense, begin your sentences with the following. I am, he is, she is, it is, you are, they are, we are. Then put the noun or adjective after them. Second type. When the sentence contains a noun or adjective in the past tense, begin your sentence with the following. I was, he was, she was, it was, you were, they were, we were. Then put the noun or adjective after them. Third type. When the sentence is about ability, begin your sentence with the following. I can, he can, she can, it can, you can, they can, we can. Then put the verb after can. Fourth type. When the sentence is about the future, start the sentence with the following. I will, he will, she will, it will, you will, they will, we will. Then put the verb after will. Fifth type. When the sentence is a possessive sentence, start your sentence with the following. I have, you have, they have, we have, he has, she has, it has. Then put the noun after have, has. This is the first part of types of English sentences, and we will complete the rest of the types in the second part. Now, we will have some examples about making English sentences, and we will have some examples of the 5 types of English sentences. When the sentence contains a noun or adjective in the present tense, begin your sentences with the following. Then put the noun or adjective after them. Now we think of a sentence containing a noun or adjective. These are examples of the first type of English sentences that contain a noun or adjective in the present tense. I am rich. He is smart. She is a teacher. It is a snake. You are pilots. They are engineers. We are students. I am in Paris. It is big. When the sentence contains a noun or adjective in the past tense, begin your sentence with the following. Then put the noun or adjective after them. I was married. He was in London. You were angry. They were children. It was expensive. She was poor. He was a doctor. We were afraid. When the sentence is about ability, begin your sentence with the following. Then put the verb after can. I can cook. You can swim. She can read. He can fix cars. You can go. We can do that. When the sentence is about the future, start the sentence with the following. Then put the verb after will. I will study. We will travel. You will play. They will forget. He will go. She will sleep. When the sentence is a possessive sentence, start your sentence with the following. Then put the noun after have, has. I have cars. He has problems. You have 3 friends. She has children. It has a tail. They have enemies. We have houses. You have pens. Stay tuned for Tay's second part.